Welcome to this introduction of TAPEX, the Technology-Assisted Physical Examinoscope, developed by Professor Dr. Mohammed Iftikhar Hanif and his team. Traditional physical examinations rely heavily on the clinician's senses: sight, touch, hearing, smell, and taste, methodologies that can be subjective and inconsistent. TAPEX redefines these by integrating technological advancements and artificial intelligence to achieve higher diagnostic precision. TAPEX centers on 12 essential parameters. 1. Intonation. Assessing vocal patterns through AI-driven voice analysis to detect neurological and respiratory conditions. Gaitation. Comprehensive movement analysis using wearable sensors to evaluate patient posture and mobility, including those unable to ambulate. Inspection. Enhanced visual examination, facilitated by high-resolution imaging and AI pattern recognition. Palpation. Objective assessment of tissue through AI-supported pressure sensors and robotic palpation. Percussion. Standardized evaluation of internal organ density with digital percussion tools and acoustic analysis. Auscultation. AI-powered digital stethoscopes for precise cardiac and pulmonary sound analysis. Insonation. Utilization of point-of-care ultrasound improved with AI to evaluate internal structures non-invasively. Neurovasation. AI-enabled neurovascular monitoring for assessing neural and vascular integrity. Olfaception. Application of artificial noses for chemical profiling of odors linked to specific diseases. Tint. Gustoception. Use of electronic tongues to objectively analyze taste changes indicative of medical conditions. Specification. Focused, technology-enhanced clinical maneuvers tailored to specific diagnostic needs. Integration. A unified platform combining all parameters for comprehensive real-time clinical interpretation. By bridging traditional clinical intuition with state-of-the-art technology, TAPEX aims to convert bedside examinations into precise, quantitative, and reproducible diagnostics. This presentation outlines the framework and future development phases aimed at prototype creation, validation, and eventual clinical adoption of TAPEX to improve healthcare delivery. Thank you for exploring TAPEX, the future of physical examination.
For centuries, doctors have relied on their own senses, sight, touch, hearing, and sometimes even smell or taste to perform physical examinations. While these traditional methods like inspection, palpation, percussion, and auscultation have been the cornerstone of clinical evaluation, they often lead to subjective and inconsistent results. Today, the landscape of medicine is rapidly changing. The integration of artificial intelligence and advanced sensor technology, clinicians can now access more objective, quantifiable data at the bedside. This shift is not just about adding gadgets, it's about fundamentally rethinking how we assess patients. The Technology-Assisted Physical Examinoscope, or TAPEX, is at the forefront of this transformation, offering a structured 12-parameter framework that brings together the best of human intuition and digital precision. Let's explore how TAPEX is redefining the future of physical examination. TAPEX introduces a comprehensive approach to patient assessment by integrating 12 essential parameters: intonation, gaitation, inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation, insonation, neurovasation, olfaception, gustoception, specification, and integration. Some of these, like inspection and palpation, are familiar to every clinician. Others, such as gaitation, olfaception, and gustoception, represent innovative ways to capture subtle diagnostic clues using AI and sensor-based devices. For example, gaitation leverages motion sensors and AI to analyze a patient's movement, while olfaception and gustoception use artificial noses and tongues to objectively detect disease-related odors and tastes. By mapping advanced technologies to each parameter, TAPEX bridges the gap between traditional bedside skills and the demands of modern, data-driven medicine. This framework not only enhances accuracy but also ensures a more holistic and standardized patient evaluation. Among the most groundbreaking aspects of TAPEX are the parameters olfaception and gustoception. Historically, clinicians sometimes used their own sense of smell or taste to detect disease. Think of sweet-tasting urine in diabetes or the grape-like odor of certain infections. Modern infection control has made such practices obsolete, but technology is filling the gap. Artificial noses and tongues, equipped with sophisticated sensor arrays and machine learning, can now detect volatile organic compounds and subtle chemical changes in breath or saliva. These devices provide objective, reproducible results, helping to identify conditions ranging from metabolic disorders to neurological diseases. By incorporating these digital senses, TAPEX not only revives lost diagnostic skills but also elevates them, making bedside assessment safer, more accurate, and more comprehensive than ever before. True power of TAPEX lies in its ability to integrate findings from all 12 parameters into a single, cohesive clinical picture. Through central dashboards and AI platforms, data from wearable sensors, digital stethoscopes, ultrasound devices, and artificial sensory tools are synthesized in real time. This integration not only supports clinical judgment, but also enables dynamic, personalized care. Clinicians can visualize trends, compare objective measurements, and make more informed decisions at the bedside. As TAPEX evolves, its ecosystem will continue to expand, incorporating new technologies and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of medicine. The result is a smarter, more connected approach to physical examination, one that promises greater accuracy, consistency, and better outcomes for patients everywhere. While TAPEX offers a visionary path forward, its implementation is not without challenges. Ensuring compatibility between diverse sensor systems, managing costs, training clinicians, and navigating regulatory pathways are all critical hurdles. Yet the potential benefits are immense. By transforming subjective assessments into quantifiable, standardized data, TAPEX aims to raise the bar for diagnostic accuracy and patient care. As technology continues to advance, the integration of AI and sensor-based tools will become an essential part of every clinician's toolkit. TAPEX represents not just an upgrade in equipment, but a fundamental evolution in how we understand and practice medicine, bridging the gap between human expertise and digital precision for a healthier future.